Did you hear about the meteor shower tonight? Everyone's talking about it.
Yeah, it's supposed to be spectacular. The best viewing spot is that big plaza in our neighborhood.
Right. And it's going to be packed. Are you going?
Definitely. I love stargazing, and I wouldn't miss this. What about you?
Of course. It's not every day you get to see something like this. Have you been to one of these events before?
Only once, but it was ages ago. I remember it being magical, though. Everyone's staring at the sky in awe.
Same here. The last time I went I didn't bring anything to sit on and my back was sore for days.
Lesson learned then. We'll have to be more prepared this time.
Totally. So we're both going. Should we meet there?
Better yet, let's go together. That way, we can find a good spot before it gets too crowded.
Good idea. What time do you think we should head out?
I heard the peak time is around 10 p.m., but people are showing up early. How about we meet at 8:30?
All right. Where should we meet?
How about by the corner cafe near the plaza?
Works for me. Now, what about stuff to bring?
Chairs would be nice. Sitting on the ground isn't my thing.
Agreed. I can bring 2 folding chairs.
Great. I'll sort out something to eat. Maybe some sandwiches and crisps?
Sounds good. Oh, and we'll need something to drink.
I'll handle that. How about some lemonade?
Perfect. I can also bring a thermos of tea, in case it gets cold.
Good thinking. And I'll bring a blanket too. It can double as a ground cover or keep us warm if it gets chilly.
What about entertainment while we wait? The meteors don't start right away.
True. I could bring a deck of cards.
Nice. And maybe some music? I've got a portable speaker.
That's a great idea. But let's keep the volume low so we don't disturb others.
Absolutely. Oh, we'll need a flashlight or 2. It'll be dark out there.
I'll bring one. Anything else?
Can't forget a camera to capture the moment, though the meteorites might be too fast.
True, but we can still get some nice group photos. I'll bring mine.
Awesome. This is going to be such a cool night.
I know, right? Let's hope for clear skies.
Fingers crossed. What if it does get cloudy, though?
Then we'll just enjoy the night out and have fun. It's not every day you get to hang out under the stars, even if we can't see them all.
Good point. And if it gets too boring, we can always leave early.
Exactly. But I doubt that'll happen. So, 8:30 at the cafe, yeah?
Got it. One last thing, are you inviting anyone else?
Not this time. I think it'll be nicer with just the 2 of us.
Okay. See you then.
Can't wait. See you later.